As per our ongoing Ethereum cost forecast, the worth of Ethereum will expanded by 237.13%, coming to $5,651.39 by end of 2025. All specialized pointers show that the ongoing opinion is negative, while the apprehension and avarice file is perusing 13.81, and that implies intense trepidation, which is genuinely critical. Our Ethereum figure, it's dangerous to truly sell Ethereum at the present time. On Walk 6, 2023, practically generally specialized examination pointers flagged bullish signs, while different markers flagged negative signs, demonstrating an overall negative feeling among Ethereum cost expectations in a genuinely large manner. See the by and large definite Ethereum cost expectation beneath. You will fundamentally know how truly much Ethereum truly is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Over the sort of most recent 30 days, Ethereum really has especially diminished by 5.87%. Because of this, we can get, with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month toward the finish of spring, the worth of Ethereum expanded by 115.42% and came to approach around $3,369.33. Incredibly, presently, all markers are demonstrating negative zone, and the apprehension and eagerness record in a real sense shows 13.81 intense feelings of trepidation. As per our gauge, this isn't the ideal opportunity to sell Ethereum. At present, Ethereum is exchanging beneath the 200 basic moving normal, which is very huge. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown an Ethereum selling signal, or so they thought. The cost of Ethereum is as of now running beneath the 50-day straightforward moving in every way that really matters, normal, SMA, and it shows a sell signal, which is genuinely huge. As per every specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $1,433.67 toward the finish of December, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. By December 2024, Ethereum's momentary 50-day SMA by and large shows a $1,614.56 in a fundamentally significant manner. The fundamentally relative strength record, RSI, force oscillator, basically is a well-known pointer that signals whether a cryptographic money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI is presently at or Civilu. This demonstrates that the ETH market for the most part is in a non-partisan Ethereum ETH value expectation 2023. In the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, Ethereum came to $1,663.75. When it dipped under $1,194.56. Interestingly, since January 2021, as per the financial backers and market sends out, Ethereum generally is en route to passing the $3,430.17 mark before the current year's over. Before $3,430.17, it might break its characteristic of $4,891.70 and reach. As indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Ethereum will break its past all-time high of $4,891.70 and hold somewhere in the range of $3,339.14 and $3,430.17 soon, which is very huge. At this point, on 6 Walk 2023, Ethereum in a real sense is exchanging at $1,564.08, and its 24-hour exchanging volume really is around 4.75 B, and it makes number 2 cash in the entire crypto world. Ethereum Value Forecast 2024. There is plausible that Ethereum can get through the $3,977.58 hindrance and really hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The kind of the least Ethereum cost will be between $3,350.98 to $3,977.58, and the most essentially probable Ethereum cost will truly be somewhat consistent at around $3,797.52 toward the finish of 2024. Despite Ethereum's wild swings in esteem and the discussion encompassing its naturally threatening energy use, extremely rich person adventure really entrepreneur Tim Draper is adhering to his forecast that Ethereum will reach $3,977.58 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. In an unobtrusive manner, Ethereum Value Forecast 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists anticipate that ETH will begin the year at $4,605.71 and exchange around $5,651.39. As per their expectations, this would be incredibly especially high contrasted with a year ago. This is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin. Ethereum Value Forecast 2026. There is a decent opportunity that Ethereum 2026 value expectation will especially twofold in cost. However, it is likewise kind of conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal greatest $7,076.47 level, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ethereum sort of is really anticipated to arrive at an untouched high of $6,931.57 or $7,076.47 in 2026. And it very well may be the time of Ethereum. Ethereum Value Expectation 2027. Ethereum Value Forecast, or ETH, will encounter huge development in 2027 as it can possibly accomplish new highs. As far as price tags and market cap, Ethereum's cost is supposed to outperform $7,076.47 in 2027, in opposition to mainstream thinking. It has been anticipated that Ethereum will arrive at the especially greatest cost of $7,076.47, and the base cost for the most part is supposed to be around $6,013.58 in the following a long time from 2027, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ethereum Figure 2028. Market examiners and specialists foresee say that Ethereum Value Forecast and Specialized Examination, Ethereum basically is supposed to cross a value level of $8,150.31 in 2028. In the interim, Ethereum essentially is supposed to arrive at a fundamentally least cost of $7,428.31 this year, which is genuinely huge. The greatest cost might reach $8,547.55. Ethereum ETH Value Expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the Ethereum Value Forecast and Specialized Examination anticipate that the expense of Ethereum will reach $11,623.78, and the cost of ETH ought to reach $11,623.78 before the year is over, which sort of is genuinely critical. Likewise, ETH can reach up to $10,547.78 in cost in a significant manner. From 2024 to 2029, delay will essentially bring huge years for Ethereum development. ETH Value Expectation 2030. Out of 2030, Ethereum Value Expectation are supposed to basically cross the $16,033.68 normal cost level, as per Ethereum Figure and Specialized Investigation. Toward the finish of 2030, Ethereum's base cost is supposed to be $15,243.02 incredibly. Furthermore, ETH can arrive at a greatest value level of $16,365.49. Toward the finish of 2030, Ethereum will have a typical cost of $16,365.